Okay guys, coming at ya with another update. Sorry that my hair looks like that, but it's fine. So, it is now Thursday. This has been going on since Tuesday, so we're kind of over it. But it looks like we're getting what we want and we're kind of nearing the end. Fingers crossed. It's not finalized yet, but everything looks really promising. And, well, if it's not, then we're going to be really bummed tomorrow. So today our guy was off, which he did tell us last night when he told us to go ahead and take the Land Cruiser for another night. That being said, we were like, okay, so where do we go from here? Like, what's our next step? And with him, like, being off, that kind of, like, put us in a weird spot. And so we were just kind of like texting him back and forth in the morning. We went and ran a few errands. He said that we could meet tomorrow morning and get everything like finalized and settled. So we were like, okay, great. We do have some things though, like we wanted to take out of the 4Runner. For example, like our all-weather floor mats. We have a dash cam and some other things that Josh did. So we went and picked that up and traded out the Land Cruiser so they could go ahead and get it detailed so it would be ready to go tomorrow. So it is getting detailed hopefully today. So it's ready for us to go tomorrow. We're going in at 10 a.m. and hopefully get this thing finalized. And so this has been a long journey, like not so much of like the negotiating, but just the fact like since I saw it, since I mentioned it to Josh, like it's been a long time. Long time of back and forth, long time of trying to make the right decision, just hoping and praying that we're making a great decision. And yeah, just trying to have the best intentions about this decision that we're making. So we are ready to get this thing over with, and I don't know, we're like excited and like it's pretty much done, but then at the same time we're like, but I mean it could fall through tomorrow if something doesn't like add up. So we still kind of have that in the back of our minds. But the 4Runner is good to go. We deleted all of our things, our phones that are synced to it, our destinations. We deleted the garage door opener. So if it falls through, I'm going to be really bummed that I have to add all that back to the 4Runner. That'll stink. But when we got in the 4Runner, one last thing and I'll go. But when we got in the 4Runner after we dropped off the Land Cruiser, it was like a total difference. Everything was super small. My mirrors were tiny. The screen was tiny. What else? It just rode completely different. And I guess I just got used to the 4Runner, and it rides rough. It does. I still love my 4Runner, but I know it's like not finalized, but I don't feel like emotionally attached to it. Like I feel like I'm okay because I'm moving on to bigger and better things, right? I don't know. That could be bad. I did love my 4Runner though. Like, it's really nice. But it's pretty old school, you know? It's pretty old school. Josh agrees. But they're nice and they're reliable, which is what I was going for. It was definitely an upgrade from my last vehicle, and it was super reliable. Like, I never had any problems with it ever. I only owned it 2 years, but I had a Jeep Commander before, and I owned that for 2 weeks, and the thing had to get towed, okay? Like, the rear diff went out, I'm pretty sure, and that was, oh my gosh, stupid expensive. So, this 4Runner has been amazing. I would highly recommend a 4Runner to anybody. But I am excited to see the places my Land Cruiser and I will go. Clever. Okay, so we will update you tomorrow. Hopefully we come at you in the Land Cruiser again, driving home, and it's officially ours. Fingers crossed. Good vibes. I'll update you then.
Alright guys, just finalized the deal. We're the owners of a 2016 Toyota Land Cruiser. How's it feel?
Feels great.
Great. Hold on.
Happy.
Bye-bye 4Runner.
It's kind of sad.
Yeah. Where you want to go? No, don't go the back way. There's a tree in the road.
That's the back way.
Oh yeah, go that way. You got a car my way. So guys, well, you know, I actually dreamed about owning one of these things, so you're good my way. I actually dreamed of owning one of these babies. Never thought I would, because, you know, a new one is like 90 grand. But here we are. Her new mom ride.
Yeah. Gus said I'm ready for 3 babies.
So yeah, Gus said we're ready for 3 babies, so there's that. Fill her up. We do gotta come back and get a few things, since they took it to a different dealership within the same company to sell it to us. So we only got 1 set of keys, and we'll come back for the title. But other than that, pretty good. Jeep.
I see the Jeep.
Okay.
Are we going home? Okay guys, I'm not really sure where Josh left off, but I'm pretty sure we were just like sitting in the dealership parking lot after we just got in the Land Cruiser from signing all the paperwork. So we are home now. We went to his father's and showed him, and he was super stoked about it and thought it was super cool. And we gave him a ride around for a few minutes and did that, and then we came home and we ate lunch, and now we're just doing a little more in-depth cleaning. They did detail it, but they did a pretty quick job.
Alright guys, we got excited with our new purchase and we forgot to film an outro. So I don't want the video to be super long, but you know, in the next video we are going to be cleaning the inside of it. They did wash it down at the dealership, but they really didn't do the cleaning job that Riley and I considered a good cleaning. Anyways, but the salesman did say that was one of the cleanest vehicles he's ever taken in on trade. So, and Ryan and I try to take really good care of our vehicles. You know, we try to clean them at least once a month. We usually hand wash them here, except for in the winter when it's too cold to do that. We clean the seats, wipe the insides down, all that good stuff. So, it's just a testament to how well we take care of our vehicles. It's nice to hear a compliment from the salesman. This is a few days later after everything, but the salesman told us that the 4Runner already sold. It was on the lot for 2 days, I think, and they sold it. So, take it for what it's worth. I've always been told if you take care of your vehicles, they take care of you. So that's the kind of mentality I live by. So I try to take good care of all items, not just vehicles, everything. But anyways, so next video will be us cleaning the inside. It's a dramatic difference. So be sure to check out that video of the leather seats when I clean them with my Chemical Guys products. So if you like the video, give us the thumbs up. If you like what we're doing content-wise, please subscribe to the channel. It helps us out a lot. In the comments, let me know what you think about our new purchase. We're excited for it. It's low miles, and we look forward to having it for a long time in our family. So I appreciate you guys watching. Have a great night.